What if the person you were 30 days ago no longer existed? What if you could shed old habits, fears, and limitations to become someone stronger, wiser, and unstoppable? This is your wake-up call. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to kill the old you in 30 days and rise anew. Let's begin. Step 1. Let it go. The old you survives on comfort zones. Write down everything holding you back. Toxic relationships, procrastination, self-doubt. Then ask, does this serve the person I'm becoming? If not, burn it, literally or metaphorically. This is your declaration of war on weakness. Clear physical and mental clutter. Create space for the new. You can't build a skyscraper on a crumbling foundation. Step 2. Reinvent your daily rituals. Wake up an hour earlier. Move your body. Feed your mind with books, not scrolls. For 30 days, commit to one skill. Learn a language, code, or public speaking. Small steps, compounded, create seismic change. Your environment shapes you. Surround yourself with mentors, even if they're podcasts or books. Speak affirmations aloud. I am disciplined. I am evolving. Fake it till your brain believes it. Day 15 will test you. You'll crave the old comforts. This is where legends are made. Track progress daily. Journal, apps, sticky notes. Every no to temptation is a yes to your future. Remember, 30 days is just the start. This is your new normal. Celebrate tiny wins. Finished a workout, dance, resisted junk food, flex in the mirror. Momentum builds confidence, and confidence, that's the killer of the old you. The old you had its time, now it's ashes. In 30 days, you've proven that transformation isn't magic, it's mastery. Keep rising. Keep killing the versions of yourself that settle. And if this ignited something in you, smash that subscribe button. Every week, I drop strategies to help you conquer limits. You're not alone in this fight. Now go, become. Don't let the old you sabotage this. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.